Hey, how's it going, everyone? So I got this program called Isoslice from Clickteam store. It's a program made by them with the Fusion that lets you make faux 3D objects. Like, there's some you can load here. I'm glad they included examples. Here's a boat, and it looks like a 3D model, but it's not. Okay, that just determines like how big the canvas is. But yeah, no. I first saw a technique like this from Clickteam user known as 2Clicks Phillips, and but altitude determines. Oh, okay. So it determines like the stretchiness of it. Let's just stick it to 5. Yeah. And basically it's sprites stacked on top of each other. Here's an example. That's like the lowest like wood plank like on there. Then you can see it in layers. Like, it's a bit clearer more you go up. See? Yeah. So it lets you create faux 3D objects, and it's like really cool. It's $9.99, and I'd say it's well worth its money. There's other examples. Car. If you can still kind of see the boat, just render it, and yeah. Altitude's still looking kind of funky. Looks so weird at 1. 2. Yeah, 2 seems about right. Or I guess it depends on what you're making. But yeah. So yeah, you can rotate the full 360 degrees. You can export every image at 360 degrees, or if you just want, you know, this amount set of images, then yeah. Because you don't plan on using all 360 images for an animation. What's that? It says care. I haven't seen this. Is it like a tank? I think it's another vehicle like a tank. But then they actually have a character. Not the type I would use in a game, but it is cool they showed this off. I figure you can animate with this, but oh my gosh, it just thinking about it kind of sounds like heck, like the propellers of a helicopter. Oh, okay, so I see what they did. Okay, so that's shoot, I can't load it. Oh shoot, did I clear it? Oh no, so shoot, that's my mistake. They must have made the propellers separate, and shit, and I deleted it. They must have made the propellers separate, and in doing so, then it could be rotated in game. So just gonna kind of fix that. Yeah, that's smart. But yeah, if you're gonna want to animate a character like in this, then you're gonna need to like use quite a few tricks to do so. But since I messed that up, okay, just want to show a few more things. Here's a house that was made in the program, which is really cool. But let me show you one I made. It was one of my first real tests in making something in this program. Yeah, I like how it came out. I think it looks really convincing. It's supposed to be like this wooden shack for a character of a game I'm working on. And then the angle works really well because the thing is you're gonna be flying above it, which was this cool idea I had in this program. It just makes it easier because it'll be rotating as you fly around it. It's gonna look so cool. But yeah, this is something I made. Let's see, and now they have a turret here. How's that look? Yeah, it looks like this. But I want to make my own type of turret. That's what I want to do. Right, so let's see. I believe if I rename this, Da, 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 da. To yeah, it'll save, make its own. Yeah, that's how you save. You rename, or you pick where to pick this or this, and then rename it. Then it'll auto save. Right now, I want to. Yeah, okay. So it didn't carry that over. I was afraid it was gonna have to delete each and every one. No, we have a new file now. So let's create a turret. First, let's make a blue base. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm using a mouse right now. I'm probably gonna mess up a bit. By the way, no undo like shortcut. Not a deal breaker for me. Can be frustrating. If you want to delete something, you gotta make it black. You can't have the color black here. You have to use a really dark gray. Yeah, that's our base. Instead of, we're just gonna copy it a few times. And it copies based on the one you're on, not the one like before, after. So yeah. Let's copy one more time. We're gonna cheat. And now that we're on this layer, should delete a bit much. That's fine. We use a dark blue. Okay. And now let's copy this. Let's change the color. Oh, be careful if you. Oh, I'll show you. If you right click, you color the whole thing, which something we don't want to happen. Or maybe you do, but at the same time, like, be careful, because if that does happen, you can easily clear it. But at the same time, if you're working on something and you accidentally right click, then yeah. But again, you can have that changed if you need to. Okay, copy it once more, and now I'm going to make this gray. Oh, okay, so it's a fill tool too. So I guess if you right click here, okay, so it also works as a fill tool. Let's go back down, copy, then okay, so that's your fill tool. Really useful. So yeah, if you're wondering how often I actually did use this program, not as often as you might think. So how high, as many frames can you have? Well, that first boat that was made was like 30 layers high. I think color frame, but no, it's like 30 layers high. Let me change that different color, a lighter gray, and yeah. Yeah, and see, delete, or copy it one more time, but we'll delete this. I can imagine like you could use this for like a real-time strategy game or something. Have this fire an object once placed or whatever. So it's pretty simple, but pretty effective, I imagine. Let's make this part like a dark red. Make it look like, or can I make it black? I'll try making it black. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, no. So let's see, more colors. Yeah, of course you can add more colors. Let's make it as dark gray as possible. Not quite as gray as the one we were using before. And render. And yeah, there's the firing, that's the part where it fires from. I don't know much about guns. This was Isoslice. I guess I'll export this real quick. Guess I'll only need 8 frames maybe. 360 takes a lot to render. Export takes all those images, and I believe it comes with its own file, video files, and yeah, if you can't see, yeah, it saves it in the Isoslice file. Y'all shouldn't be able to see this. OBS is just recording that custom, is just recording Isoslice and not anything else. But yeah, it saves in the Isoslice folder, and then you can easily just import it into Clickteam. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. I'm really glad if you've enjoyed this video, and if you've purchased it and just haven't gotten around to using it yourself, please do, and let me know what you think. Anyone else that has Isoslice, please, just share, because there's not enough videos like playing around with this and whatnot. It's a really cool program where you can make so many cool things. Anyway, like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.